We are in our Piano Adventures Lesson Book A, and we are playing my left hand C scale and my right hand C scale. And we're using 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the left hand and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the right hand. So we're starting off here with our right hand on middle C, and our left hand is on G. On the teal below middle C, pinky on C. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Now let's do the right hand. 1, 2, ready, go. Since both are the same notes, we'll only do solfege once. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Now let's do our colors. 1, 2, ready, go. Red, orange, yellow, green, teal. Teal, green, yellow, orange, red. Right hand, red, orange, yellow, green, teal. Teal, green, yellow, orange, red. Let's do our finger numbers. Left hand, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do the right hand. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's do our rhythm. It's just beats and watermelons. 1, 2, ready, go. Beat, 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 watermelon. Beat, 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 watermelon. Beat, 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 watermelon. Beat, 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 watermelon.